So this is my friend's current keyboard, and while it's good for gaming, it could definitely use an upgrade. So let's build him one. The board we're using is the AtgoMod 007 that we tape modded. The switches are the Gateron Cap Golds that we hand lubed with Glorious's G-Lube. And for this build, we're going for a God of War theme, so the keycaps I picked out are the GMK Red Samurais. The knob that comes with this board is pretty boring, so let's swap it out with this Gold Glorious knob to better fit our theme. And you can't have God of War without the Blades of Chaos, so let's make some chains and slap them on with an accessory mod, how-to video on my channel. Here's everything put together and a quick sound test.